How to buy uDEX token. So this token came under the symbol of U 3 times. So as you can see, this is the symbol of that token. As you can see, we have 3 times the letter of U. Now, before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral codes. Simply use the codes below. Fund your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now, before going and buy this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following their updates about this token. And don't forget to check the Telegram group and their Telegram bot. So this token is available on MEXC. You can buy it on MEXC. If you don't have an account on MEXC, go down in the description. We'll be able to find the referral link. Go and create an account on MEXC to benefit from rewards and fund it with some USDT. So now I will show you how to buy this token on MEXC. Now, first of all, open your MEXC account, as you can see here. Now, what you need to do, just go in search and type UU 3 times. After that, you will be able to see this pair. Now click on it and wait a few seconds to be able to see this page. Now you are able to buy this token. Click on buy, select the limit. Here you can type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you will be paying of that USDT on your account and click on buy this token. Now if you select the market, you can drag this to set how much percentage that you want to use of that USDT on your account to be able to use it to buy this token. So this is how to buy the UUU token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.